Hello everyone. So what we want to do now is we want to claim our XEmpire token to Bybit exchange. Though you can see a lot of withdrawal options like OKX exchange, BJet exchange, AB exchange, and auction withdrawal. That is if you want to claim it to Keeper wallet, but to Telegram wallet is not available. I don't know why. So we click on Bybit exchange now. You are going to see that they are going to ask you something here like, do you have a Bybit account? If you don't have it, you are going to click on no, let's create it. But if you have, you are going to click yes, I have it. So Bybit exchange, you are going to see something under register October 18, 2024 at 6 o'clock p.m. UTC. Deposit starts October 23, 2024 at 9 o'clock a.m. Deposit end October 12, 2024 at 6 o'clock p.m. UTC. Bybit confirmation / deadline October 24, 2024 at 12 o'clock p.m. UTC. You will get your airdrop. So we are going to get our airdrop by 12 o'clock p.m. UTC. So what we want to do now is we are going to go to our Bybit exchange. The first thing, we are going to copy our Bybit UID. The second thing is our X deposit address. And the third thing is we are going to copy our memo. So let's go to our Bybit exchange now and do that. So guys, now this is our Bybit account, our Bybit exchange. What we are going to do is we are going to click on our profile at the top. Once we click on that, you are going to see your UID under your username. So click on the UID. That you copy it. So come back to Bybit exchange right here. So this is Bybit. So you are going to paste it under Bybit UID. We are going to paste it here. Then we are going to go to Bybit to copy our X. That is XEmpire deposit address. So let's go to Bybit right now. So this is Bybit right here. What we are going to do is we are going to click on assets. So once we click on assets, we are going to click on deposits. Then we are going to select deposit crypto. Under deposit with crypto, you are going to see that is the last option. We are going to search for X at the top. X. And we are going to click on done. So when you search for X at the top, you are going to scroll down. So you are going to see X, that is XEmpire at the front of it. So this is it now right here. Make sure that you look at the logo very well. So I'm going to click on the XEmpire. I'm going to select my network chain, that is done. So I'm going to copy the wallet address, go back to my XEmpire, so paste it there. So this is XEmpire now. So under your X deposit address, just make sure that you paste it there. And the next thing is we are going to copy our memo and we are going to paste it under memo option. So let's go to our Bybit right now to copy that. So the last step is to copy our memo. So you are going to see memo under tag / memo, that is into brackets comment / note / remark and the close brackets. So you are going to see your memo there. You are going to click on the copy button, go back to your XEmpire bot and paste it under memo. So under memo right now. We are going to paste it there. So make sure that you check it very well, maybe if it's correct. So you are going to see that our Bybit UID is correct, our X deposit address is correct, and our memo is correct also. So once you click on save and choose, you are going to see that you have saved it. So if you want to, maybe you made a mistake or there is any errors, you can click on reset withdrawal option, and you can also change withdrawal option. So maybe you want to use Bybit or you want to use OKS, but OKS not longer available in Nigeria, so you can't use OKS right now. So you can click on reset withdrawal option. So this is how you are going to claim your XEmpire to your Bybit exchange. So don't forget to follow me on my Telegram page and my X account. The link is going to be under this video description. See you in the next video. Peace.